Bula! Hey everybody, Baron and Bren, Bruno, and we are in Vunda today on the Vanua, which is Fijian for land. We are in this 3/4 acre Vanua, and this is a native lease, and we are just close to Vunda Marina. Really safe, very popular marina with all the people wanting to go out and do some surfing at Cloud Break and restaurants, and going out to the Mamanutha and Isawa Islands to do all that soft coral scuba diving, snorkeling, all the water activities. Or if you just want to come here and enjoy yourself and relax on a nice white sandy beach, you can do that. And where we're standing on this Vanua right now, this 3/4 acre or 3,000 square meter lot, you can see very flat residential, and the people next to us have gated it in, and they put in some culverts, some gates over there. Great thing about this neighborhood, Cane Bay Estates, this is lot number 5. Very limited number of lots here, only 13 total. And the great thing is this is all already has the underground fiber optic for that high-speed internet, so you can of course watch your Netflix and all those sports activities and things you want to get on the TV. You can do that very easily and with no interruptions in service. You also have all those utilities right onto the street that's here, tar sealed road, so very easy to get to. And again, straight ahead of us, beautiful views of the bay. And on the other side of the bay is where Port Denarau Marina, our offices are. A lot of the boat charters that come from that side of the bay. And then just over here in Vunda, they have also boat charters going out. In fact, we just went to Serenity Island this weekend, and it used to be called Bounty Island. So some islands literally 15 minutes or so boat ride right from here, and it's really spectacular snorkeling. You'll be amazed at all the fish and underwater marine life that you get to see here. So if you're interested in coming to Fiji and building a dream home, you want to come and design something with some local Fijian architects and design. You see these trees here, these are rain trees, and what they'll actually do is they actually will use some of these rain trees, both, you can see they've kept these. Some of the people here will actually use these as interior wood design, and you should see some of the beautiful bar tops, kitchen countertops, furnishings that are made out of these rain trees. You can see them here in the background, and some beautiful huge ones there as well. And of course all the nice hibiscus flowers here. So beautiful day here in Fiji. This is a wonderful chance for you to come out here, and especially if you're a builder, you're a designer, and you want to do something with your own penmanship behind it, or if you want to get some local Fijians to help you out with the design, with the building, and of course all the fun toys like the boats, the cars, the jet skis, all those things we can help you out with when you come here to Fiji. So take a look, beautiful 3/4 acre residential lot, native lease, minutes to the Vunda Marina, and that's VUDA. And we're about 20 minutes or so to the international airport in Nandi. So Nandi, Namaka, and Martintar, the greater Nandi area is just through here. And then across the bay, again, is Denarau International Airport. All that Nandi area is just in here. So lots of potential. You know you're thinking about it. So we look forward to hearing from you. We hope you're safe. We hope you're happy. And those vaccines are coming. Planes are going to be in the air soon. And all you need to do is give us a call at that number right there, and we'll be here waiting for you. Vinaka!